Alright guys, I kind of picked up a new project. I'm like new to the DSM world, but I picked this up the other night for 600 bucks, 90,000 miles. It does need some work. Needs a new top. The interior is like horrible. Actually gonna rip the carpet up. I'm gonna replace a whole interior on it. This is the little body damage. The back looks pretty good though. If you guys can actually give me some advice on fixing this fucking top because it leaks a little, and I see one of the arms are hanging right there. It'll start to open up on its own, but it won't completely go back. It's like it gets stuck. I see some tops online. I'll probably order it from there. If you guys can recommend any kind of seats, maybe some type of racing seat, comfortable though. That's maybe the same color. But this is just the beginning. I know I got a long road to go, but let me show you guys under the hood. She runs and drives, so a little shaking on the highway, but she definitely runs and drives. So what can I do with this motor? And if I decide to boost it, how much power can I get out of it and be reliable at the same time? Oh, they changed the belts. There's still a squeak inside the power steering, but I'm gonna do every single thing over in the motor just so I can have a peace of mind. I know these things need good maintenance done to them. The shock towers aren't rusted out. I heard there's a lot of issues with that. So whatever advice you guys can give me would be appreciated.